Tired of getting your accounts flagged or banned? Let's dive into the ultimate showdown. Adspower vs Gologin. Which AnyDetect browser is the champion for managing multiple online accounts and securing your privacy? First up, Adspower. Notice how easily you can create and manage browser profiles. Adspower shines with its in-depth fingerprint customization. You can tweak everything from your user agent to your web goal settings, making each profile appear as a unique user. And it is fantastic for teams, offering great collaboration features. Now, let's check out Gologin. One of Gologin's strengths is its simplicity. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it super easy to set up proxies and manage your browser profiles. It's great if you're looking for a user-friendly experience, especially if you're new to AnyDetect browsers. Let's talk money. Adspower's pricing can be more flexible depending on your needs, offering various plans with different features and profile limits. Gologin has different plans as well. Consider carefully what you need and choose accordingly. Security is paramount. Both browsers employ advanced fingerprinting techniques, but remember that no solution is foolproof. Explore each platform's security features and understand how they protect your digital identity. Consider factors like data encryption, proxy integration, and anti-leak protection. Performance matters. We run speed tests to see how each browser handles multiple profiles and resource-intensive tasks. Consider which best suits your workflow and the types of websites you'll be accessing. So, Adspower vs Gologin. The choice is yours. Consider your specific needs, budget, and technical expertise. Research, test their free trials, and make an informed decision to protect your accounts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your experience in the comments.